Hi everyone, in this quick video we're going to demonstrate how you can set up and use the tone control function on a Panasonic DECT phone model or series KX TGM420 and 450 series. So what is tone control? In a nutshell, it just makes the caller's voice easier to understand by modifying the audio frequencies and the tone of that particular caller. So there's different ways to enable this depending on how you want to set it up. So the first way to do it is just by simply using the handset, and there's two ways on the handset, and the last one is by using the base unit. In order to demonstrate, I'm just going to start a call to the handset by using another phone that's connected to the same line. I'm going to start an intercom call. Okay, that's ringing. Just going to set that aside for now. You can pick this up. And then just by pressing the intercom button, we can answer. Now, the easiest way, directly from the handset, is to look on the side, and you will see here a button that looks like a musical note. That is by default the tone control. And I want you to pay attention here on the screen. When I press that, you can see how now I have the tone control setting, and I can switch between the different, well, it just goes away, so I'm just going to press it again, and I can switch between the different options. Now it's a little bit difficult to demonstrate on the video because you're not able to hear what the changes are, but have a play at your own phone and then see which one you prefer. The other way to control this by using the handset is whilst you're on the phone call like now, just simply press the menu button. And the first thing that comes up is tone control. Press OK, and then you can do the same thing as before. Okay. The last way, we set this aside for now. If you pay attention here on the base unit, you will have some different options. One is a slow button, and you also have these plus and minus keys. So in order to set it up by using the base unit, just press and hold this button for about 2 seconds. And afterwards, just using these two keys, you'll be able to enable to actually change the tone to the desired one. Of course, right now, that's not active because I picked up the phone call from the handset. And in order to change it for the base unit, you need to actually have the phone call answered from the base unit. All right, hope this helps. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.